that education is a process of discovery, we at BPS assist them in recognizing and unfolding their fullest potential. We are dedicated to providing holistic education encompassing the intellectual, emotional, physical, spiritual and social aspect of growth. We take upon the task of not only raising career-conscious students but also socially responsible and global citizens. At ATL, we wish to create an environment of scientific temperament, innovation, creativity amongst the young Indians. Since the last few decades, our education system has seen a paradigm shift. Today, with the approach of inculcating hands-on methodology in the current education scenario, we have resolved the need of the hour. ATL Lab would teach students essential 21st century skills which will help them in developing their professional and personal skills as well. Skilled India is the need of the hour, and each step taken to accomplish this dream should be welcomed, and we should work towards it together for a better India. Learning at Atal Tinkering Studio will be a transformative process planned, challenging and joyful journey. The objective of this scheme is to foster curiosity, creativity and imagination in young minds and inculcate skills such as design thinking, computational thinking, adaptive learning, physical computing, etc. We are committed to develop that wonderfully inquisitive child, a child who is thinking, who is reflective, who is compassionate and sensitive, who does not compete with others but strives to become a global citizen. With a humane approach, we aim to take science-based research and tech entrepreneurship to a new level by drawing lessons from global and national best practices, rather innovative practices. At BPS, our core values of positivity, resilience, integrity, determination and empowerment are more than words. Our students and faculty live and breathe them every day to become confident and capable leaders of 21st century. What is positivity? It's the infusing this positivity trait in children to let them see the brighter side of every aspect and aim at a bigger, better version of oneself. Now, what is resilience? Striving to excel in all fields by smooth and seamless transition in all academic streams. And what is integrity? Being truthful in whatever you strive for. And the most important is the determination. Being resolute and search for better ways for serving humanity is determination. And the top of all, lastly, it's empowerment. Empowerment means what? Empowering all the stakeholders at BPS to feel one with the mission and vision of this institution aligned together. I wish all Bharatians to be the one who can transform India into a better tomorrow and innovate with their ideas. With their noble ideas, they come up and they can try their thoughts looking into the experiences in this Atal Lab. I wish them a good luck, and they would always strive for unfolding their infinite potential and make us proud for the pride they carry for us.
Wow, this is really interesting. What have you guys made?
This is a soil moisture detector which detects the moisture of a soil.
And this is a matrix. It tells us if the plant needs more water or not.
Hello everyone, I'm Sheetal, a pass-out student from Bharti Public School. Adult Lab is a path-making platform for children who love to wonder, discover and explore. We need students, especially in the present situation, those who can bring solutions to real-life problems. Great to know that BPS now has Adult Tinkering Lab. It's a feeling of immense pride to see my alma mater rise and shine. Thank you.
I'm glad that Adult Tinkering Lab is there in BPS. It will give my child a platform to showcase his creativity. All the best. My wishes are with you. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Aishwarya, an IT professional from Infosys. I am an alumni of Bharti Public School, batch 2015. So I heard this exciting news of ATL Lab being brought to the school by the management, and I couldn't be more happier to listen to this. Since my engineering days, I have been very unfamiliarized with all the equipments in the first year of my college, and being ATL Lab in the school, I am sure my juniors will get the opportunity to get familiarized with all the equipments which are provided by the ATL Lab, which would be very useful to them as they branch out of the school after 12th. So I like to thank the management, principal ma'am and the director sir who are behind this idea of bringing it to that school. And I like to congratulate them for the introduction of ATL Lab.
We are proud to know that our school has taken another step towards quality education by setting up ATL Lab for all the students. ATL will develop a healthier and a sharper mind and help us feed our curiosity.
Since childhood, I was fascinated by robotics, drones and technology and had a desire to build and innovate all these by my own hands. BPS has provided me a platform where I could visualize all these.
The pioneers who ask why and why not for tomorrow's leaders. We are game changers.
In Adult Lab, ideas come to life.
Scientific inquiry starts with observation. The more one can see, the more one can investigate. The more we get freedom to explore, the more inquisitive we become.
The objective of ATL Lab is to foster curiosity, creativity and imagination in young minds and inculcate skills such as design mindset, computational thinking, adaptive learning, physical computing, etc. Indeed, I am proud to be a Bhartian innovator.
It is for those who create the new and next. Adult Lab is for you and me.
For the future thinkers, makers, creators and debaters. Adult Lab is for you and me.
Let's create workspace suitable for the young minds to learn innovation skills, to develop ideas through hands-on activities and work in a flexible environment. And this is possible through ATL Labs.
I feel glad that our young children will get a chance to use tools and equipments to understand what, why and how aspects of STEM.
Mathematics is in every occupation, is in everything that we do in our daily lives. Exploring students to STEM and giving them opportunities to explore STEM-related concepts, they will develop a passion for it. Not only this, they will be able to think critically. And we know that innovative thinkers are the movers and shakers that have the potential to change the world.
We are BPS.
Adult Lab is for us.
I love BPS. We stop at nothing.